What's up, everybody? Jason here from Vector Smart Chain. Just wanted to do a little update on our pilot project that we rolled out not too long ago. We are now almost finishing up the first phase of that. For people that are interested in looking up on their own a little bit about that, you can visit pilot.vectorsmartgas.com. We have our landing page up there. I'll just take you through a little bit about what was going on in the last phase. We had our layer one infrastructure put together, validator framework, the predictive gas model, our governance mechanics, and of course, network security. And we've been now working on part two of that, which is rolling out our blockchain as a business, which is putting forth revenue generating use cases, setting up operational deployments, putting together cost model validations, so proof of concepts and things like that, and actually getting things on chain and doing some performance and stress testing, things like that. So blockchain as a business means testing real operational models directly on chain before offering services externally. So this is something that we've been working on internally with our backend team and a few potential partners that are going to be coming on for some of the first deployments that are going to be integrated on chain. It validates the revenue pathways and stress test infrastructure and ensures enterprise grade reliability, which is something that we've been striving for and working towards. We just did a recent chain upgrade that has EVM upstream compatibility, some new IBC infrastructure with the Cosmos. So we're building continuously in the back end, in the front end, putting together all kinds of new concepts and new strategies to roll out this blockchain as a business. We are now, like I said, finishing this first internal testing phase. We've put together an amazing technical architecture that is going to allow us to start deploying some app chain models that are going to be used for testing purposes and for integration purposes. Some of this includes a lot of smart contract integration. We have now developed and testing some smart contracts based around some very unique things that I think a lot of people already utilize in the enterprise area. Some of that being rewards. Like your traditional membership reward programs that you might find you already participate in when you shop for groceries or when you use your credit cards, things like that, where points and things that accumulate that you can redeem for other items or incentives. So we've created a reward vault, which is a smart contract based mechanism that is going to allow these enterprise apps to integrate existing reward structures and have that data stored on chain, have those transactions tracked and deployed on chain. We also have some tipping mechanisms for content creators, which is something I think a lot of people are already using and familiar with when you're watching people on YouTube or these other subscription-based platforms where you can subscribe to receive exclusive content by paying a fee, or where you can send funds or tip the creators while they are doing their streaming and things like that. So we've developed a mechanism also on chain utilizing smart contracts for tipping. We've included membership gating, which is either token, NFT, or allow lists that are also tracked on chain. So, we're rolling out different types of mechanisms that are going to be utilized in these applications and web apps and mobile apps and Web3 apps by companies, by businesses, by enterprise that are already utilizing things like this in their own platforms and mobile applications and things. And we're now taking them into the world of Web3 by allowing them to take those systems, integrate them seamlessly, utilizing our blockchain, utilizing our smart contracts, utilizing our pre-built app structures that are deployable on chain. There's some unique stuff also in regards to NFTs where achievements and badges and things like that can be given out and automatically created through a new contract that we've put together for badge systems that are visible on many applications already out there in the Web 2 space. We've created some unique structures and a unique app builder, really, that you can utilize any of these features, build them right into your app. There's smart contracts available on chain that allow you to do all this stuff. And we'll be rolling out the first one, which is an entertainment-based platform. We do have some unique stuff on there. It is going to utilize all of these contracts that I've talked about, as well as some staking boosting mechanisms and campaign management mechanisms and things like that. It's something that nobody is doing so far. There's nobody out there doing this stuff. We're thinking about things that are widely available on the internet already. So for the world of e-commerce and normal retail, through sales platforms, web applications. We're looking at the entertainment industry where we can have rewarding infrastructures built and put in place, and a lot of ways for them to engage with their consumers, either through offering different types of NFTs that they can earn through badges by doing different types of tasks, things like that. Access to exclusive content and token gating and things. They could give out a badge for interacting on their system and then have a token gated access area where if you have that badge, you're able to access exclusive content and things like that. So there's a lot of possibilities with the stuff that we've put together. We think we put a nice little package together for our first app chain application release, which is, again, I said, going to be an entertainment-based platform. And it's something that we're really excited about. We're spending a lot of time working and putting together the infrastructure in the back end. Like I said, the first step was the technical architecture. The contracts have been developed. We are now currently going to be pushing towards the testing phase, which is a huge part of rolling out this blockchain as a business in its first stages. This will allow us to show proof of concept. It'll allow us to show the revenue models that are possible, the flows for business to their consumer or end user, and how much of this we're able to automate and set up through auto deployment and things like that that we're building into the blockchain ourselves. So something is going to be available to the public. We're going to be, after our first deployments here on testnet, we're going to be able to then take the data that we have, the infrastructure that we have, and that'll be put into a forward-facing deck and available to the community and to the public, so that you can see how everything works and show all the different types of chain integrations, all the different types of possibilities with the contracts that we're making available for the app deployments. And then we move on to our blockchain as a service, which is putting together turnkey deployments, which is basically out-of-the-box solutions for different types of businesses, whether you're a retail store selling clothing, or you're a record label distributing music, we have packages that are going to be available for you. We're also going to be looking heavily at our enterprise integrations because we'll have app chain environments existing and on chain that will be able to show enterprise as proof of concept and again proof of revenue models and things like that. So very exciting time. Rolling out this pilot has been a lot of work. We're starting to see the fruit of our labor come together. And I just wanted to let you guys all know a little bit of what's going on and what you can expect in the near future. So over the next week and a bit, we'll be doing that testing. We'll be doing those deployments on testnet and making sure that these applications are working how they're supposed to be working. And then we'll start announcing some of the first initial partners that are going to be coming on with a couple of the first applications that are going out there. So stay tuned. Look forward to more announcements coming out about our pilot project. Again, if you want more information, go to pilot.vectorsmartgas.com. If you are an enterprise and you're interested in finding out a little bit more information on the possibilities of integrating your existing infrastructure and app infrastructure onto blockchain, into Web3, there is a form on the site there that you can use, and one of our friendly staff will get back to you within 48 hours. So hope you guys all have a great week and look forward to updating you more in the near future. Have a great day.